This video will show you how to consolidate an account. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you want to consolidate accounts. Click Payments from the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Here we see the payment and account details of the reservation. Consolidate Accounts is used at the time of billing. It brings all the last-minute transfers from other point of sale. Click on Consolidate Account. An alert appears for confirmation. Click OK, POS, Purchases. That were to be posted at the time of Night Audit are consolidated now. The last-minute purchases now show up in the account statements. This brings us to the end of the video on how to consolidate an account.